for the game and all the pussy that come with it. So full of focus, I'm insisting on keeping it going. The franchise, I exist in the league of my own. Expect attention, I'm familiar with being ignored. The true back, cated locking and closing the door. Brick wall in the road, I won't move. The king, I'm like Roy in the ring, I can't lose. Show the face of what compare to man. You wanna walk? Motherfucker ain't hard to find. I holler back, nigga.
Can't be touched, can't be stopped, can't be moved, can't be rocked, can't be shook. We hot when will you niggas learn? Came to get crunk, came to bring life, came to get started, came to get right. Turn down the music, turn up my mic. When will you
I move when my heart say move. Feels like a lion, got nothing to prove. Stubborn as a hot damn mule. God in my corner, nigga can't lose. Try to pick me out my hot damn shoes. See how quick I drop up and give you bitches the blues. They gon' see you on a hot damn news. And I ain't leaving nothing. Linking me to the crime, not a print, not a hot damn crew. Beating these niggas down is what I came to do. And I ain't playing by a hot damn rule. Shaking you niggas down if you ain't paying your dues. We passing up your block and ooh, my screws are loose. Don't call my hand cause you gon' make me act a hot damn fool. Dead discussion, you will not win cause I will not lose.
can't be touched, can't be stopped, can't be moved, can't be rocked, can't be shook. We hot when will you niggas learn? Came to get crunk, came to bring life, came to get started, came to get right. Turn down the music, turn up my mic. When will you niggas learn?
So high, now we're rising up. Are you ready now? Turn it up. Are you ready for this? Oh, I can see my name under big lights. It sure looks good to me. I'm coming up now, I'm ready for the big time. I'm gonna be hard to beat. Oh, I'm a hard act to follow, got a big reputation. Oh, hold on, hold on, hold on now. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this now? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? There ain't no limit. Are you ready for this? Let me hear you sing it. Are you ready for this now? Serving up the heat. Are you ready for this? Now take it to the street.
I'm back at it again. Back in the car and we spinning the bin. Slide on your man, I'ma shoot at your friend. Knock him down and then we do it again. Glock automatic, I change the pin. Pull up hijack and we change the VIN. Don't give a fuck which lane you in. Nuck if you buck, not the brand out the skin. Tell him get low like we doing limbo. Cause I'm stepping for show, you get hit in your toe. Never aiming at your motherfucking toe. That's where the tag going, not up the scope. Asking my bro, is he puffing on Joe? He was telling me no, it's the nigga we smoke. I didn't know until I seen a ghost, so I called a Ghostbusters and told him a boat. Dick in the mouth, she keep gagging and sucking. Nut on the cheek, she was laughing and blushing. Grabbing my heat, I be clutching for nothing. Crash out the league, get the up in the public. Bitch 223 told my nigga to tuck it. When I tell you bust it, you better start busting. I saw a witness, but I'm yelling fuck it. I started a tuck it, it got me a bucket. Assaulted the car when the nigga was 7. When I turned 11, I told her to fail it. My nigga was snaking, I knew I could smell it. When I'm feeling threatened, I turned into Melly. Free Melly. One pot, we made him drop. We spent this block, stand over tops. We never stop until I Glock go pop, pop, pop. Click, ayy, nigga, you know that I hit. I was up close when I spit his shit. Bang the jit, then bang this bitch. 100 on it, no aim and shit. Burning, no cooling kit. My wax, no claiming it. Then see with the hammer, I'm too legit. I got a bitch and she really too thick. She be throwing her fist when she ain't getting dick. Really making me sick, but she do the one trick when she split on the dick. Got me coming so quick and she suck like a ticket. Her throat like a crick. Got me hard as a brick, so I shot me a flick. Ayy, she my dog like Vic. Ayy, do what I say, sit, say, dick. These nigga police, they just be on the cover. Know how they be, it can be on brother. Got in that gutter, start singing like Usher, but we let it burn like you fuck with no rubber. We let it burn like you fuck with no Jimmy. My name hold it weight, but a nigga be skinny. I'm shitting like poo, but I'm not talking Winnie. Shoot at your committee, I'm talking no kizzy. Yo, no kizzy. Ayy, spin on the block till a nigga get dizzy. I make him take a seat like he was with Wendy. Catch him at breakfast or catch him at the club like DJ Envy. Give him shots of Henny. How many shots I don't know, gave him plenty. I let that boy test you shouldn't offend me. Fall in the party, I got this bitch moving. All in the crowd with my motherfucking jury. Reason I give me a trial in the jury. No, I'm a rapper, I'm also security. Lucy tucked up in my mirrors. Fucking the groupie, she screaming I period. Bitch was too wet cause I knocked on the period. She said it's the dick for me, period. Great to do it, need to bring me a trophy. Know that I'm gangster, but act like a yogi. Say you a killer, when nigga come show me. Started approaching, then he did a roadie. So much cheese on me, I'm getting loaded. Put the squeeze on him, I left him bloated. She better on her knee, I want sugar-coated. She was the side piece, we got a promotion. Glock, order, Dre, go. Boy, you better lay low. Pop out when the case over. Pop out when the case close. Wonder where his face go. Get that boy, hey, low my shooter off the mess. He be tweaking if I say so, bitch.